clearly it's not a typical DAO video.
Why is that?
Ha, you'll have to wait and see.
I'm going.
Okay, so the front pinion seal.
Oh, look at this. It's covered.
Yeah, she leaky. We're gonna pop this off right here.
Okay.
So you gotta get a screwdriver
That was
in.
leaking?
Yeah. It's just rubber grommet. So.
Excuse me. Okay, alright.
Alright, didn't need it.
So I'm taking it that there's nothing coming out.
No, you still got fluid.
No, I'm good?
Yeah, you're still good. It's just leaky.
Because I told every time I go on the highway this happens. It only well, this is the only time I can tell.
So
it sprays on the back.
So we're gonna eventually change out this guy, your breather tube.
Okay.
Because it may not be breathing correctly, and then we're also gonna change out that front pinion seal.
Okay.
Okay?
Sir, yes sir.
But we got fluid, so we're good still.
As long as I got fluid.
Hey, when it stops leaking is when we want to check it.
Yeah.
Top it off.
Yeah.
If you watch any of our videos, you know what or where this sheets is. It takes us to big levels. But we're not going there. Because we have... What the... Seriously? Look at this kid. Has to buy the biggest high lift jack. Anything gonna hit? No? I made it. Thanks. Well, if you ever wondered if I would fit in a parking garage, I do. Oh my God, it's Aaron. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Hi.
So if you gotta lift a Jeep problems, you know, with parking. I can touch. And I'm just waiting for Brendan to see if he ever got his high lift off. It didn't clear. He's still down there. He needs someone with muscles to help him. I am definitely gonna rub it in his face. It was way easier taking the steps.
This just spins off.
Careful.
Not killing yourself.
So you can come back more? You're not much,
I saw a sticker on the phone pole, but it was covered with another, and it almost looked like part of the circle.
Where's the stickers at? We need to start tagging stuff. Tag us if you find us. Evie! Man, we got a bunch of people with us.
It's beautiful out here.
It is really nice. It's a lot nicer out here than it is in Adventure.
Yeah.
It's, yeah. No, you can't climb that tree.
This is like a decorative.
Tom,
That's like great bell type. Are you good with a burger?
Absolutely.
All right. Are you gonna fuck it up?
Absolutely.
Head for burger, because I know head always wins on your phone.
I wonder why I'm so upset.
She wanted pizza.
Because you will do it. I have
Aaron let me. What? And who's making super decisions?
You'd be like, it's fine. It's fine, Brendan.
No.
It's fine.
Show love. Hey.
How you doing? What you doing later?
Oh, you
Look
know.
at my hair.
Oh,
Frightening.
I had to straighten my beard.
Yeah?
Yeah. I
Was
need
too
a comb.
windy?
Yeah, it was so windy.
I think
My
you need a
beard.
comb. You're
Yeah.
so old.
Why? I gotta look
Who says
good.
that?
I did.
Did you notice my shirt was on backwards? I had to fix it.
Embarrassing.
Yeah.
Anyways, if you guys ever come to this little town, Charlottesville,
This
Virginia.
is the Citizen Burger Bar.
Yes.
It was so freaking good.
Amazing. What are you getting?
Really sure, but I had some yesterday at school. It's really nice. It was orange.
So we are at the Freedom Wall. Apparently they put chalk out.
I love mommy.
I love you.
Write whatever you want.
Why are you writing it?
Yeah, let's do this.
I told you what we were gonna come here.
It was Aaron. It was Aaron. Okay, so far we came here just to spend the day eating, walking around this outside mall. It's pretty legit. Now, if you guys are wondering, am I going to see off-roading? You're not. Not this time. But just wait, because there's so much more about to happen. Is that Aaron holding hands? What the?